everyone, it's Danrie from Craft of Giving, and in today's video I'd love to show how to make this super easy DIY charm keychain. To make your very own keychain, you need to find various charms that you find appealing to your personality or the person you're making this for. You can find these little charms anywhere online and as well as good crafting shops. Then you'll need to find 3 sizes of keychain findings, these little round ones. I use the smallest ones for my little charms by just wedging open the little finding with a end of a skewer just to open up the wires so I can slide it through my little pendants and then just twist it until it's fully attached to my pendant. And then for the next size up, I picked a little bigger one, and this is going to act as a little chain where I'm going to attach that to my smallest keychain finding, and then create like a little chain by just attaching the keychains together. Now this keychain in particular is a very easy one to make, and you can customize it with your charms or even add some ribbon in between. You can be as creative as you'd like. So go ahead and attach all your keychains together to create one chain of keychains. That's a lot of keychains in one sentence, isn't it? But like I said, you can customize yours to be and to look any way you'd like it to look or to be. So these are just pendants or little charms that I found appealing to my personality. So there's like the rose, the frog, the little key, a heart, a star, a teapot, and a teaspoon. And of course the last one, a little handmade one. And then to finish off your keychain, you'll need the largest keychain finding. So this is the actual keychain that you attach to your keys, and then you're pretty much done. Now this is such an easy and fun little project to make for yourself, or get the kids involved to make for mum or dad, or for brother or sister, or for anyone who would appreciate a nice little handmade charmed keychain. If you like this video, please give it a big old thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you'd like. I upload every Monday and Thursday, and I love to make videos on handmade gifts and other fun DIY projects. You can also check out my previous videos that I've done by clicking on the annotations on your screen or in the links down below if you're on your mobile, tablet or iPad. And I thank you so much for watching. Remember to be crafty with your giving, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!